Okay, so this says extend your previous program for question 11. So you need to do question 11, which is this, before you do question 12. So it says ask the user for their name. So we need to ask the user for name, create a variable called name, and then input enter your name. Then it says store the user's name and score in a text file. So first we need to create a text file. So file is equal to open, and then we need to specify file name. So score.txt, that will be my file name, and then I want to write to it. So comma W. This tells the program that we want to write to our text file, which is score.txt. Next, file.write. So file.write will mean we're writing to the file. And then first I want to say name, and then I use the plus sign. So you can't use the comma here because you're writing to a file. So you have to use the plus sign to concatenate. Okay, now we use the plus sign, add a space here to make, because remember when you concatenate with the plus sign, there's no space. So just add a space here, and then let's say your score is, and then add another space, and then another plus sign, and then we want to display the score. So because the score is an integer at the moment, so it's an integer, we need to change it to a string. So we put str before it. Putting str before it means we're casting it, we're changing the data type to something else. So we're changing the data type from an integer to a string. So this is called casting. Okay, string score. Now close my bracket, and remember we have to close our file. So we closed our file, and then we will run my program. So enter number, say 2, incorrect guess, yes. Enter number 3, incorrect, so this should be -2. Would you like to carry on? No. Your score is -2, enter your name so far. Now this should have added the score and name to a file. So if I close that and go to my file here, so score is got my name. So far your score is -2, so my program is working correctly.